Hello, everyone. Welcome back to the Chatterley channel.
Hi, Alex. Hello, friends. How are you, Alex?
I'm good, thank you. How are you, Sarah?
I am happy. Are you ready for today's lesson?
Yes, I am ready. What is the topic today?
Today, we will talk about food and cuisine.
That's exciting.
Yes.
Are you ready, Sarah?
Yes, I am ready.
Hi, Sarah.
Hi, Alex.
How are you today?
I am good, thank you. And you?
I'm fine too.
That's great.
Do you like food?
Yes, I love food.
What is your favorite food?
My favorite food is pizza.
I like pizza too.
Which pizza do you like?
I like cheese pizza the most.
I like pepperoni pizza.
Do you like any other food?
Yes, I like pasta.
What kind of pasta do you like?
I like spaghetti.
Do you eat spicy food?
Not much. I like mild food.
I like spicy food.
That's interesting.
Do you cook at home?
Yes, I cook with my mom.
What do you cook at home?
We cook rice and vegetables.
That sounds healthy.
Yes, it is.
Do you like sweets?
Yes, I love chocolate cake.
Chocolate cake is delicious. Do you bake cakes?
Sometimes with my sister.
That's nice. Do you eat breakfast every day?
Yes, I eat breakfast every morning.
What do you have for breakfast?
Usually I have eggs and bread.
I eat cereal for breakfast.
Do you drink milk?
Yes, I do.
I like orange juice in the morning.
Do you eat lunch at home?
Sometimes at home, sometimes at work.
What do you eat for lunch?
I eat rice, chicken, and salad.
I like sandwiches for lunch.
Do you like fruits?
Yes, I like apples and bananas.
My favorite fruit is mango.
Mango is sweet and tasty.
Yes, it is.
Do you try new food?
Yes, I like to try new dishes.
What new food did you eat last time?
I tried sushi last week.
Did you like it?
Yes, it was nice and different.
Do you eat fast food?
Sometimes I eat burgers and fries.
I like fried chicken.
Do you like ice cream?
Yes, very much.
What is your favorite ice cream flavor?
I love vanilla.
I like chocolate and strawberry.
Do you eat out with your family?
Yes, we eat at restaurants sometimes.
What restaurant do you visit?
We go to Italian or Indian restaurants.
I want to try Indian food someday.
You should. It is very tasty.
Thank you, Sarah.
You're welcome, Alex.